Parents often focus too much on correcting child misbehavior and label them as disrespectful, oppositional, defiant, unacceptable, uh, angry, and then try to fix those behavior by either punishing them or either trying to correct them or trying to help them understand why their behavior is right or wrong, without spending too much time or without paying attention to their inner feelings, their thoughts and memories. And many times, those very well thought behavioral strategies might not work in those moments because parents are focusing just on the behavior, not what the child is going through inside. Because the child prefrontal cortex is not well developed, and because of that, they may have difficulty expressing their emotions, expressing their feelings, and often their feelings of sadness, feeling of disappointment, feeling of frustration, feeling of being scared comes as anger, temper tantrum, oppositional, defiant, throwing things, hitting others. So if you want to help your child, it's important to connect with their inner feelings. Our children are being seen, they are being heard, and they feel more protected and they feel more connected, and they are more likely to listen to what their parents have to offer during that behavior.